Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the Google error that says couldn't find your Google account. If you are trying to sign in and you see this message, don't worry because we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to double check the email you entered. Okay? So in my case, I'm going to be putting this email right here. Make sure there isn't a spelling mistake in that. You used a .com, alright? Or you didn't accidentally use a different domain like gmail.com instead of gmail.com. You want to make sure of that. Because typing your full email slowly and double check every letter is very handy. Now, try to click on next to see if that works. And as you can see, right? Want to make sure that the email is correct. Be slow on checking per letter or per character. Another option that you can look into if this doesn't work is go to this specific link. Go to a new tab right here and paste or type in g.com/recover and press enter. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. Okay? So in this case, I'm going to type in an email. Alright, now if you are the owner of this specific Gmail, if you click on next, there is a verification process. Okay, as you may notice, click on the next button. You need to enter the last password you remember using this Google account if you have that saved to your device. If in case you already forgotten the password, it's okay because you can try another way, which will lead you to this option that you can get a verification code and confirm the phone number that you added to your account. Okay, so if you have that handy, it's gonna be useful from this point. But if in case you already lost your phone number, okay, there is another way for that. You see there's an option that says I don't have my phone. I want you to click on it because there is another security that you can go into. All right. Now, you can click the more tips to recover your account because this will forward you to more options. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you will be guided accordingly. This is going to be the help center. Now, another option that you can look into if all else fail is to simply contact Google Help for support. Okay, tell them your situation and they should provide you some troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. And basically that's it for today's video. Now you know how to troubleshoot and fix the couldn't find your Google account error. If this video was helpful, do not forget to give it a like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.